What's happening? Out here in the woods, about to cook some chicken over the fire. All I got is my little knife, so bear with me. Try this seasoning out. First time with it, see how it work out. Make sure you have some water or something like that nearby when you're out here, starting fires in the woods, because you can create a forest fire and damage a lot of people's homes and destroy your own property if it's yours, like this here mine. Garlic, onion, black pepper, and sea salt. Non-GMO. Got this free-range chicken. Goal is not to put it directly on the flame, because it'll cook too fast, so be careful not to do that. Now, I wouldn't normally just be using a knife. I would have some utensils, but since I slipped up and forgot the things I needed, here I am. You season one side, the side that is going on the flame first, and then you put the seasoning on the other side. Fairly simple. And watch to make sure that the chicken don't start to flame up too fast. You don't want the flame on the chicken. Or maybe not too much. I'll show you the end results, because it'll take a few minutes to get this cooking. We ain't gonna leave this playing the whole time.